Hi, good morning.
Let us start. How can we use Linux Edge Ubuntu? What is meant by desktop background? The background picture of Linux Edge Ubuntu desktop is called desktop background. We see different desktop backgrounds pictures on different computers according to their settings. That means we can change the desktop background picture. On that background picture we can see small pictures. What is this small pictures indicates? These small pictures are known as icons. What is an icon? An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file or folder. How can we select or deselect an icon? In a textbook, there we can see the steps. To select an icon, there are two steps. First, bring the mouse pointer over an icon. Second, click the left mouse button once. Then what will happen? The color of the icon changes. It means that the icon is selected. Once more, to select an icon, step 1, bring the mouse pointer over the icon. Step 2, click the left mouse button once. If the color of the icon changes, it means that icon is selected. How can we deselect an icon? To deselect an icon, we also has the same two steps. To deselect an icon, move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Click the left mouse button once. How we can deselect an icon? Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Then click the left mouse button. Then what will happen? The color of the icon changes to its original color. That means the icon is deselected. So how can we select or deselect an icon? To select an icon, bring the mouse pointer over an icon, click the left mouse button once. Then the color of the icon changes. That means the icon is selected. To deselect an icon, move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon, click the left mouse button once. Then the color of the icon changes to its original color. That means the icon is deselected. Okay, next. Opening an application using icons. To open any application or program, we have to double click on its icon. To select an icon, we have to make a single click on the left mouse button. To open an application, double click on its icon. Single click selects the icon, double click opens the icon. Single click selects the icon, double click opens the application. Now, how can we organize desktop icons? Organize means arrange the icon in a particular order. We can arrange it in many ways. Here we are going to discuss how can we arrange the icons by its name. To arrange the icons on the desktop by its name, first of all, make a right click on any blank area on the desktop. Once more, make a right click on any blank area on the desktop. Then you will get a menu. That menu is known as pop-up menu. Now select Organize Desktop by Name option. Select Organize Desktop by Name option. What will happen? We will notice that all the icons get organized by their names. Names means alphabetical order. This is the method to arrange the icons in an order by their name. Do you know what is a launcher? Yes, launcher is the long vertical bar on the left side of the desktop. We cannot always see the launcher on the desktop, but when we move the mouse pointer to the left side of the desktop, the launcher will appear. What is the function of a launcher? It provides quick access to applications, removable devices and the trash. Suppose if you want to start a program quickly, how can we do it? Just make a click on the icon on the left launcher and that application will start. If you want to open a program in launcher, you have to make a left click. Just press on the left button on your mouse. What will happen if you make the right click? When you right click on an icon in the launcher, a menu of actions appears. Always remember, whenever you make a right click, you will get a menu. Here you are making the right click on the launcher icon, then you will get a launcher icon menu. What are the common actions available in that menu? Launching the application, locking the icon to the launcher, unlocking the icon from the launcher, quitting the application. Once more, launching the application, locking the icon to the launcher, unlocking the icon from the launcher and quitting the application. So let us revise. To select an icon, make a left click on that icon. Then the color of the icon will change. That means it is selected. To deselect an icon, make a click away from the selected icon. At that time also we can see the icon's color changes to its original color. That means it is deselected. To open an icon, make a double click on that particular icon. To organize the desktop, make a right click. We will get a pop-up menu. Select Organize Desktop by Name option. Then all the icons on the desktop will arrange in its alphabetical order. Next is launcher. Launcher is a vertical bar. It provides quick access to applications. If you make a right click on launcher icon, you will get a launcher icon menu. By using this launcher icon menu, we can do 4 actions: launching the application, locking the icon to the launcher, unlocking the icon to the launcher, quitting the application. Just go through the video more than one time. That will help you to understand the steps. Let us see in the next session. Thank you.